Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Beginner English Speaking TV.
We are so happy you are here with us today. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike, and we are excited to help you learn English in a fun and easy way.
Yes, that's right. Today, we have a very important topic for you. It's something everyone does, especially when you are learning something new or working in a new place.
That's right, Sarah. Our topic today is asking for help. Specifically, we will talk about asking for help at the office. This is a very useful skill for everyone.
It really is, Mike. Sometimes we might feel shy to ask for help, or maybe we don't know the right words to use in English. But asking for help is very good. It helps you learn faster, and it helps you do your job better.
Absolutely. When you ask for help, it shows that you want to learn. It shows you want to do things correctly, and people are usually happy to help you. It builds good relationships with your colleagues, your coworkers.
So don't be afraid. Today, we will give you some simple English sentences and phrases you can use to ask for help in an office setting. These are A1, A2 level, very easy to understand and use.
We will also practice speaking these phrases together, so you can repeat after us and improve your pronunciation. Remember, practice makes perfect.
And we will also have a short dialogue, a conversation, to show you how these phrases are used in a real situation, so you can hear them in action.
Get ready to listen, learn, and speak with us. It's going to be a great lesson.
Let's start with some useful phrases for asking for help. Mike, would you like to share the first one?
Of course, Sarah. Let's begin with a very common and direct way to ask for help. Our first phrase is, "Can you help me?" Can you help me?
That's a great one, Mike. It's very direct and clear. Can you help me? This means, are you able to assist me? Or do you have the ability to give me some aid?
For example, you can say, "Can you help me with this report?" Maybe the report is difficult, or you don't know how to start. You are asking for assistance.
Exactly. Let's try another simple one. How about, I need some help?
I need some help.
I need some help. This is similar to, can you help me? But it emphasizes your personal need. I need means it's necessary for you. For example, if you are looking at your computer and you see something new and you are confused, you can say, oh, I need some help with this new software. It means you require assistance to understand or use it.
Very good, Sarah. Now, sometimes you might not need help with everything, but maybe just a small part. So you can say, I have a question.
I have a question. This is perfect when you are just a little confused or you need more information about something specific. You don't need big help, just an answer. For example, I have a question about this email. What does this word mean? Or, I have a question about our meeting time. Is it at 9 a.m. or 10 a.m.?
That's a very polite way to start, Sarah. Here is another polite way to ask for something specific. Could you explain that?
Could you explain that? This phrase is used when you don't understand something and you want the other person to make it clearer for you, to tell you more about it. For example, your boss says, please organize these files alphabetically and chronologically. You might think, alphabetically? Chronologically? What does that mean? Then you can say, excuse me, could you explain that? You want them to tell you more about how to do it.
Excellent example. What if you're working on something and you get stuck? You can say, I'm stuck.
I'm stuck. This means you cannot move forward. You cannot continue with your task. You are at a point where you don't know what to do next. Like a car stuck in the mud, it cannot move. For example, I'm trying to send this email, but the internet is not working. I'm stuck. Or, I'm working on this spreadsheet, but I don't know the next step. I'm stuck.
That's a very common feeling at work. Here's another one, similar to I'm stuck. You can say, I don't understand.
I don't understand. This is simple and direct. It means I do not know what this means, or I am confused by this. For example, your colleague gives you some instructions and they speak very fast. You can say, sorry, I don't understand. Could you please say that again more slowly? It's very important to say this if you truly do not understand.
Yes, don't pretend to understand if you don't. It's always better to ask. Here's a phrase for when you need a little more time from someone. Do you have a moment? Do you have a moment?
Do you have a moment? This is a polite way to ask if someone is free to talk to you. You are asking if they have some free time right now to help you. A moment means a very short time, a few minutes. For example, you see your manager walking by and you need to ask them something quickly. You can say, "Excuse me, Anna, do you have a moment? I have a quick question." This shows respect for their time.
That's a very respectful way to approach someone. Here's another one. Would you mind helping me? Would you mind helping me?
Would you mind helping me? This is a very polite way to ask for help. Would you mind means would it be a problem for you or is it inconvenient for you? If they say, no, I wouldn't mind, it means they are happy to help. If they say, yes, I would mind, it means they are busy or unable to help. For example, would you mind helping me lift this heavy box? Or would you mind showing me how to use this printer? It's a very kind and gentle way to ask.
Very polite indeed. Sometimes you need someone to physically show you something. For that, you can say, could you show me how? Could you show me how?
Could you show me how? This is specific. You are not just asking for an explanation, but you want to see the process. You want someone to demonstrate the steps. For example, I need to save this file to the shared drive, but I'm not sure where it is. Could you show me how? Or, I don't know how to use the new coffee machine. Could you show me how? It's a request for a demonstration.
That's very practical. Here's another one for when you are encountering a problem. I'm having trouble with. I'm having trouble with.
I'm having trouble with. This phrase means you are experiencing difficulty with something. You are finding it hard to do or understand. For example, I'm having trouble with my internet connection today. It's very slow. Or, I'm having trouble with this report. I can't find the correct data. You say what the problem is.
Very clear. What if you just need to know if you're doing something correctly? You can ask, is this the right way?
Is this the right way? This is when you are doing something, but you are not completely sure if your method is correct. You are asking for confirmation or guidance. For example, you are filling out a form and you are not sure about one section. You can point to it and ask your colleague, is this the right way to fill this part? Or, I am doing this task like this. Is this the right way?
Good one. Sometimes you just need a quick answer, so you can say, I have a quick question.
I have a quick question. I have a quick question. This is similar to do you have a moment, but it focuses on the question itself being short. It means your question will not take much time. It's not a long discussion. For example, you see a colleague and you don't want to bother them for a long time. You can say, hi, I have a quick question about the meeting next week. It signals that you just need a simple answer.
That's very considerate. And sometimes you need to admit you don't know, so you can say, I'm not sure.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. This means I don't know or I am uncertain. It's okay to say this. It often comes before you ask for help. For example, I'm not sure how to use this new printer. Then you can follow it with, could you show me how? Or, I'm not sure about the deadline for this project. Then you can ask, could you tell me?
Excellent. Now, what do you say after someone helps you? It's very important to be polite. You can say, thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help. This is a must-use phrase. Always show your appreciation. It makes people happy to help you again in the future. For example, after someone explains something to you, you say, thank you for your help. Now I understand. It's a simple and very polite way to end the interaction.
Yes, good manners are always important. And you can also say, I appreciate your time. I appreciate your time.
I appreciate your time. This is another polite way to say thank you, especially if the person spent a lot of time helping you or if they were very busy but still helped you. Appreciate means to be grateful for something. For example, if your colleague helped you for 15 minutes with a complicated task, you can say, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time. It shows you value their effort.
Very good. And sometimes the person helping you might say something like, no problem.
No problem.
No problem. This is a common and friendly response when someone thanks you for help. It means you're welcome or it was not difficult for me. It means helping you was not an issue or a burden. So if someone says, thank you for your help, you can answer with no problem. It's a very natural and friendly way to respond.
Okay, we have covered many useful phrases for asking for help at the office. We have about 18 phrases. That's a good list. Now, let's practice speaking them together.
Yes, practice is very important. We will say some of these phrases slowly, and we want you to repeat them after us. Don't worry about being perfect, just try your best.
That's right. Listen carefully and then say the words aloud. This will help you improve your pronunciation and confidence.
Okay, let's start with, can you help me? Listen first, then repeat. Can you help me? One more time, slowly. Can you help me?
Very good. Now let's try, I need some help. Listen, then repeat after me. I need some help. Again, slowly. I need some help.
Excellent job. Let's try a slightly longer one. I have a question. I have a question. And again, clearly, I have a question.
You're doing great. How about this one? Could you explain that? Could you explain that? Let's try it again. Could you explain that? Wonderful. Now, let's practice I'm stuck. This is short and useful.
I'm stuck. One more time, very clearly, I'm stuck.
Fantastic. Let's practice saying, do you have a moment? Do you have a moment? Let's say it again. Do you have a moment?
You are doing so well. Now, let's try the polite phrase, would you mind helping me? Would you mind helping me? Let's try it one more time. Would you mind helping me?
Great work, everyone. Now, we are going to try something called shadowing. This is when you try to speak at the same time as us. It's like being our shadow. Don't worry if you can't keep up perfectly at first. Just try to speak along with us, matching our rhythm and speed as best as you can.
Yes, it's a great way to build fluency. We will say a sentence and you try to say it with us. Let's try with I don't understand.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Good job. It's a bit harder, right? But it helps you speak more naturally. Let's try I'm having trouble with my computer.
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 You are doing wonderfully. Let's try one more for shadowing. Thank you for your help.
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 Amazing. Keep practicing that shadowing technique. It really helps.
Now, let's hear some of these phrases in action. Sarah and I are going to act out a short, simple dialogue, a conversation that you might hear in an office.
Listen for the phrases we just learned. Try to understand the situation.
Clears throat softly. Hey, Sarah, do you have a moment?
Oh, hi, Mike. Yes, I do. What's up?
I'm having trouble with this new software, the one for scheduling meetings. I'm trying to book a room for next Tuesday, but I'm completely stuck.
Oh, the new scheduling tool. Yes, it can be a little tricky at first. What part are you stuck on?
Well, I filled in the date and time, but I don't understand how to add attendees, the people for the meeting. And also, I'm not sure how to confirm the room booking.
I see. You're trying to add specific people and confirm.
Exactly. Could you show me how? I feel like I'm missing a small step.
Of course. Come over here. Let me show you on my screen. It's actually quite simple once you know where to click.
Oh, thank you. That would be really helpful.
So, after you select the date and time, you see this little plus sign here? Pointing? That's where you add the attendees. You just type their names.
Ah, I see. I didn't notice that small icon. It's very small.
Yes, it is. And then, after you add everyone, you go down to the bottom, and there's a green button that says Confirm Booking. That's how you finalize it.
Wow, it really is simple. I was looking for a bigger button. I'm not sure why I couldn't see it before.
Don't worry, it happens to everyone with new software. It takes a little getting used to. Is this the right way you want to book your room?
Yes, this is perfect. Now I understand. Thank you for your help, Sarah. I really appreciate your time.
No problem, Mike. Glad I could help. Let me know if you have any other quick questions later.
Will do. Thanks again.
That was a good example, Mike.
Yes, I think so too. We used many phrases there, like, do you have a moment? I'm having trouble with, I'm stuck, I don't understand, and could you show me how?
And of course, thank you for your help, and no problem. It shows how natural these phrases are in everyday office conversations.
Right. Now, let's do a quick vocabulary recap. We will review some important words and expressions from today's lesson.
Yes, this will help you remember them better. Let's start with the word assist or assistance.
Assist. This means to help someone. It's a more formal word for help. For example, can you assist me with this task? Or, I need assistance with this project. It sounds a bit more formal than just help.
Okay, next one is colleague. Colleague. A colleague is a person you work with at the same company or office. They are your coworkers. For example, Mike is my colleague, or I asked my colleague for help with my computer.
Very clear. How about stuck? We used that in our dialogue. Stuck. This means you cannot move forward, or you cannot continue. You are unable to make progress. For example, I am stuck on this problem. I don't know the answer. Or, the car is stuck in the snow.
Good examples, Mike. Next, let's review explain. Explain. This means to make something clear or easy to understand by giving details or reasons. For example, could you explain this new process to me? Or the teacher explained the lesson very well.
Yes, we all need explanations sometimes. How about trouble? Trouble. This means difficulty or problems. When you say, I'm having trouble with something, it means you are experiencing problems with it. For example, I'm having trouble opening this file. Or, my computer is having trouble today.
Excellent. Let's look at appreciate. Appreciate. This means to be grateful for something, to value something, to show that you are thankful. For example, I appreciate your kindness, or we appreciate your hard work on this project. It's a very positive word.
That's a good one to remember. And finally, demonstrate. Demonstrate. This means to show how to do something, usually by doing it yourself. It's similar to show me how. For example, the teacher will demonstrate how to solve the math problem. Or, could you demonstrate how to use this new machine?
Wonderful! We have covered a lot today. Phrases for asking for help, practice, a real-life dialogue, and some useful vocabulary.
We hope this lesson on asking for help at the office has been helpful for you. Remember, it's always good to ask questions and seek help when you need it. It's a sign of strength, not weakness.
Yes, Mike is right. Don't be shy. Use these simple phrases and you will communicate clearly and effectively in English. The more you practice, the more confident you will become.
Listen to this podcast again. Repeat the phrases. Try to use them in your own conversations. Even if it's just speaking to yourself, it helps.
Thank you so much for joining us today on Beginner English Speaking TV. We love helping you learn English.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and we will see you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.
Bye for now, everyone.